compare sa lalaki. Then, ang ilan is they can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms as they grow older. And the female ilan can produce 6 liters of milk and 3 times more nutritious than a cow's milk. Again, this is ilan, the ilan can the female and the male, greater kudu, and the water. Here, the first one is the zebra, a black covered with a white stripe, and that stripe serves as to dazzle and confuse predators and other animals. So it's hard nga isod sila dakpon, it's because makapabuyok siya ang kaniyang spiral. Manguha na sila mamamatid. But if doolon, pero sa karon they get used to the people. Yeah. And kanang naa sa layo is that a wild beast, one of the largest antelope living. And if you've seen the Lion King movie, siya to ang nagpatay, accidentally killed King Mufasa during the stampede. So family ni sila, family po ni ang sa zebra. The next one is the impala, the second smallest antelope living and the fastest antelope. So they can run up to 90 kilometers per hour. And also they are considered as the amazing jumpers of savanna because they can jump up to 3 to 4 meters in length. Again, this is zebra, the wildebeest, and the impala. Then ang kalahian ani nila is ang sa babae o lalaki is only the male have horns. Ang sa babae wala.
May kabayong aputot.
Naitaw nagtagal. Parang murang nagtagal ni pamustad sila mambangan. Samson's gazelle, the smallest, while the impala is the second smallest. So this one is the smallest antelope living and they can run up to 70 kilometers per hour. Oh. And ang difference between the male is ang male is mas thick iyang horn while the female is mas thin. So partner ni sila, couple.
Makapatay po nila.
Again, that is the Thompson's gazelle. Gazelle. So they can survive a year without a water because they get used to in the desert in South Africa.
1 year ago.
So if you're familiar with the Qatar Airways, mo ni siya ang logo sa Qatar Airways because mo na po ni ilang national animal. James go. Oh yes, ma'am. And if maputol na ilahang horn